Oh, it says we're live. Okay. So one thing about correlation is unitless. Okay? There are no units. Okay? So the thing is, so for example, you can do like shoe size. I think we did that the other day. And you can do height. So height's in inches, shoe size is in shoe size, right? I don't know what is shoe size measure. I don't know. It's just like this arbitrary thing. So the order doesn't matter. So for example, here's what I will say though. Okay? Correlation measures how close the dots are. So let's say you have something that looks like this. Okay? If you were to flip it this way, okay, and I were to put height here, height is the independent variable and shoe size as the dependent variable, okay, your correlation is going to be exactly the same. Now the scatter plot might be different. It might look like this, okay. So you can see you can draw a line here and you can draw a line here, and you can see that the slopes of the two lines are different. But correlation doesn't measure the slope; it measures how close the dots are together. And you can see. I tried to draw this so that the dots were relatively the same distance apart from each other, okay? So let's say that my correlation was 0.57, okay? It's still going to be 0.57 here, okay? But it doesn't matter, you know, if I were to change this from inches to centimeters, so what? Doesn't matter. Okay? It's not going to impact your correlation at all. Change your units of measurement. Okay? It might affect your slope a little bit, but it won't. The correlation is what measures the distance between the dots and that one. We're actually going to learn more about that line in chapter 5. Okay? It's called the regression line. Boy, that's really crooked. Okay, what else? Let me find my notes here.
Were you able to fix it being backwards on the last video?
Yeah, it wasn't backwards. It only looks backwards when I'm recording it live. Yeah, it will look fine. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it, except for, you know what? I don't see
We have the mic and
the mic's enabled. Is the mic enabled? No, it's muted. Okay, well, I didn't bring my headset either. I don't know if there might, I could have sworn there was sound on Friday, but maybe there's not sound. So I will apologize. All right, so you've probably also heard the phrase correlation is not causality. Who's heard of that before? Okay, so I've actually got a video. Can I pause this or do I have to end the stream? It's going to illustrate this right now. Let me see here. I wish I could just pause it.